your mind never stays quiet, this video is for you. If one small problem turns into 10 big problems in your head, this video is for you. If you look normal outside but inside your mind is tired every single day, this video is for you. Because I know how it feels. There was a time in my life, in my first year of college, when overthinking almost changed who I was. So I had some family problems going on, and instead of facing them normally, I kept replaying everything in my mind every day, every night, again and again. The problem was real, but in my mind, I made it 10 times bigger than it was. Another thing started hurting me. People around me kept comparing me to my own sister. They would praise her, they would respect her, they would support her, they talk highly of me and made me feel like I was nothing, like I was lazy, like I was dumb, like nothing good could ever came from me. Now listen carefully. If someone heard those things once, it feels like joke. But when those things heard by someone again and again for years, it starts becoming your identity. That's what happened to me. I lost confidence. I stopped talking to people. I became quiet. I stopped meeting my friends. Even when people came to my home, I didn't care. I became mad at everything, at everyone. And the part I hate the most, I even started feeling jealous of my own sister. Not because she did anything wrong, but because constant comparison poisoned my head. That's what overthinking does. I love my sister. I used to love my sister. She is my inspiration. I always saw her supporting my family. She is my best friend. I can share everything with her. But overthinking made me feel jealous. It doesn't just hurt your thoughts. It changes your personality. And here's the turning point. The same sister people compared me to was the one who helped me to heal. She supported me, she understood me, she helped me become myself again. And that taught me something important. Sometimes the enemy is not people. Sometimes the enemy is the story you keep repeating in your mind. So if you are overthinking right now, listen to me. Don't sit alone feeding those thoughts. Get up, go outside, do something, learn skill, talk to real person. Do whatever you want, do whatever you like, but just do anything because action breaks the overthinking loop. Because overthinking is the worst thing I have ever experienced. Thinking for hours don't save your life. Action will save your life. I am saying this very confidently because I went through this. I lost a lot of time because of this. I lost a whole year because of overthinking. You don't have to. Think before doing anything. Think when needed. But don't let your mind destroy the person you are meant to become. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow then. Bye-bye.